And in this video I'll show you how to see your sent friend request on Instagram. For that, go and head to your Instagram app. Then you will see your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. Tap there and then go to this 3-bar menu and then go to account center and scroll a bit until you see this your account and permission. Tap there and tap on this export your information, and after opening this, tap on this create export and choose your profile, and you need to select on which device you wanna export, on this device or external service. And there you will see two options: export to device, export to external service. I'll choose this one. And after that, tap on this export, and after that tap on this start export. And after that you need to enter your passcode, and then after 15 to 60 minutes you will receive an email, and you need to download that zip file, and then head to your folder and navigate, and then open file and unzip the folder and navigate to connection. And there you will see so many options. You need to go on follower and following, and then on pending follow request .html, and there you will see the exact username and the date and time you send the friend request. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.